Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let's reanalyze the stock Gulshan Polyols. I have analyzed the stock before. I have pasted the link above in the I button and also pasted in the description. So make use of the link and see the analysis of the stock on multi-time frame. The multi-time frame analysis will tell you the every move of the stock, and currently I have gave a buy signal in the stock, but the stock haven't performed very well. So once again the stock is ready to go long, and the stock is now really good in going long because the volumes of the falling prices are slow and the volumes of rising prices are high. So one can go long if the stock breaks the price range of 173. 173 can be taken as the entry for the stock, and the stock may see a resistance of small time at the price range of 184. 184 can be acted as a minor resistance for the stock. And let me use the SWIB extension tool to analyze the price target in the stock, and we can consider 186 range as the swing high for the stock, and this shows the price target of 197 as the first target for the stock, and one can take 211 price range also for the second target for the stock. And the stock has a potential to move up because look at the breakout candle here. The candle is very huge and the volume is huge, so it's good to go long in the stock. The stock is currently having a small downtrend, but the downtrend haven't reached below the price range of 160, which is a major resistance level for the stock. But one can go long only if the stock breaks the price range of 175. 175 can be taken as the entry, and for the very short term one can expect a target of 120, 196, and 230 can be taken as the main target for the stock. And one can face a minor resistance around 185 range, but this should be negligible if the stock is with good buyers and good volume. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.